It's so strong.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be upgrading the shifter cables on this RSX Type S. We have the Acuity Instruments shifter cables, which are also an upgrade to OEM Plus setup. So if you want to get a nice race feel or street feel, make sure you upgrade your shifter cables because it's going to eliminate a lot of play on your stock cables. So nice way and budget-friendly setup. I'm gonna put the link in the description where you can get this part. So I'm gonna jump into the unboxing of this product and let's check it out. Alright guys, so we have the shifter linked bushings from Acuity Instruments. These are gonna be a spherical design, which is gonna allow some play on the cables. It's gonna prevent any failure on those stock cables. And open it up, see what this is all about. Awesome packaging. Even the bag has Acuity logos on it. We have some hardware. This is very nice. It does have some rings and a little bit of a clearance right there, so it's gonna allow some movement on that stock cable, which is awesome engineering right there. This moves. Spherical design. Let's put that down. And this one also has rings on it, which allows some movement on that cable. Very nice parts from Acuity Instruments. So let's go ahead and install these on the car. Alright guys, as you saw, the installation was very simple. It only takes maybe 30 minutes. Having a intake system definitely helps in this installation because everything's open. So very excited to test these out. I've tested different brands before. These are my third cable bushings that I've tested out in this platform. In my opinion, these are very nice and actually far superior than anything that I've tried before. They're using a lot of O-rings and whatnot to allow the cable to move just a little bit and to prevent any cable failures, which usually that's what happens when you use solid cable bushings. Very nice product from Acuity Instruments. So guys, that's gonna be it for this awesome short video, and make sure you check out the product, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.